Today I will explain how to write joins in Oracle database. Let us start with employees and departments table. If you see the employees table, we have employee ID, first name, last name and other fields. And if you see the department ID, that means here the department ID in which the employee working is given, but I don't have the department name. I have the department ID, but I don't have the department name. So the department's information is stored in departments table. So what should I do? I have to join these tables to get the department name. So let us start with joins. Select star from employees. You have to give alias, means a reference, and you have to say departments D. Okay, you have to say how to join this employees table and departments table. If you get this task manually, what are you going to do? You are, suppose if I ask you to identify the department number, department name in which employee ID 100 is working, then what you will do? You will go to the departments table. You will try to find the department ID 90. That means he is from executive department. So in Oracle you can tell how to join these tables in where condition. Okay, where e dot department ID is equal to, tell Oracle how to match or join the tables. You have to tell this, hey, take this department ID and match this department ID in the departments table. So d dot department underscore ID. Now I am going to print employee ID, first name, last name, and d dot department underscore name. Can you see? Now after joining, I could get the department name for every employee. You can see that employee 100 is from executive department. This employee ID 104 is from IT department and other are from finance department. So basically this is called inner join or equi join. Now I will explain what will happen. In this inner join, it will try to match the record and get the corresponding department. So the output will be EMP1 100 is the department, so it will come like this: purchasing. EMP2 200 and sales. But employee 3 is not having any department assigned. So what will happen? The employee 3 information won't come. Okay, that is how the inner join works. Can you see? So whoever is having not department, if any employee is not assigned to any department, that employee information will be skipped in this output. This is called inner join. Okay, suppose in your project you may get requirement like to print out all the employees along with the department they are working, but when you don't have the employee, when you don't have the department information, you should not skip the employee information. For that you have to use left outer join. That means even though there is no matching department found for this employee, this record should come. Okay, that means all the records in the left side of the join all those records should come irrespective of if there is a match or not. Means even if there is no match, this record should be in output. So this is basically what I want with left outer join. EMP 100, EMP 2 200, EMP 3 and null. If you compare this output with the earlier inner join, in the earlier output there is no employee record, third employee record, because he is not having any department. That is why this employee information is skipped from the output. But in the left outer join, the employee 3 record will also come, but with null department. Okay, that is the use of left outer join. So let us see this. How to do is, you have to say left outer join on. The syntax for left outer join is something like this. You have to say the first table left outer join the departments table, and you have to specify join condition using on. Okay, let us run this. If you count this, you will understand the difference. I will count the difference. If I count the results in using inner join, you will get less records, because whenever there is no department assigned, that employee information will be skipped in the output. Okay, let us see how many employees are there total in employees table. There are 112 records. If you see the inner join, sorry, we will count this and find out if you got records, 112 records. No, 106. That means 6 employees are not having department assigned. So 112 records didn't come in the output, only 106 records came. So in inner join, those 6 employees information got skipped. So now we will count the records using left outer join. Can you see? All the records came, because in the left outer join, even if the employee is not having any department, this will be included in the output. Okay, can you understand? Null means no department assigned, so there won't be any matching record in the department table for this department ID. In left outer join, this record will also come in the output. Okay, now we will see the right outer join. What is the output that will come with right outer join? With right outer join, whenever there is no match, in the earlier example, the department 300 and 400 will be skipped, because there is no matching. I mean, there are no employees assigned to marketing department, and there are no employees assigned to IT department. But in right outer join, what I'm going to say is, even though there is no match for any department, that means even though there are no employees assigned to any department, give me that department also. That means in right outer join, all the records in the right side of the join will come in the output, even if there is no match. That means you can compare all these 3 outputs. In the first, only matching records will come. In the left outer join, the matching records plus the other records which doesn't have any matching also will come. That means this employee 3 information will also come, because this is left outer join. Even though there is no matching for any of the record in the left side of the table, that will also get included. In the right outer join, same as inner join, but the records in the right side of the join for which there are no matching will also get included in the output. That means in the right side of the table for the department 300 and 400, that means for marketing and IT, even though there are no employees assigned, I should include these records also in my output. That is right outer join. Hope you understand. Now there is one more left. This is called full join. If we use full join, what will happen? All the outputs that will usually come in the inner join plus all the records which doesn't have any matching department, those records means any employees which doesn't have matching department also get included in the output, as well as any departments to which the employees are not assigned, those also get included. That is why the output is 128. That means 112 records are there in employees, and departments, can you see 27? That means 112 plus 127 is equal to 128 is output in full join. Got it. Let us recap everything. Okay, in inner join it will try to match the department ID, and only if there is matching the employee information will be included. So the employee 1 is having matching record 100, his department ID, so we can see that he belongs to purchasing. 200, so employee 2 belongs to sales, so include that. But employee 3 is not having department, so exclude that from the output. This is inner join. In left outer join, the output will be same as inner join. Only difference is when any of the employees is not having any department assigned, then that record also get included in the output. So in this example, sorry, employee 3 is not assigned to any department, even though this record will be included, because this is left outer join. In left outer join we have to include even if there is no match. In right outer join, the same as inner join, but we have to include those records, I mean those departments also, even though there are no employees in that department. In the earlier example, the marketing and IT will be skipped because there are no employees assigned to this department. But in right outer join, even though there is no matching, we have to include all the records from the right side of the table. Hope you understand the joins in the Oracle.